Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about the statistics module in Python. This is a built-in module which provides functions to calculate mathematical statistics of numeric data. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So the first thing we're going to have to do is actually import the statistics module. Python provides this out of the box, so there won't be any need to install this library. This line of code just tells Python that we want to use the functions available in the statistics module. Alright, so let's say we have a list of numbers that we want to perform statistical operations on. Let's just make up some random numbers. So our list numbers is made up of integers. As we proceed through this tutorial, we'll perform various operations on this data. The first statistical measure we'll calculate is the mean or the average. The mean is calculated by adding up all of the numbers and then dividing by the count of how many numbers are in that list. In Python, we use the statistics.mean to calculate it. Oh. So this code calculates the mean of our list and then prints it out. When we run this code, it'll print out the mean is 3. The next measure is the median, the value separating the higher half from the lower half of a data sample. If the list is even, then the median is the average of the two middle numbers. So we're going to use the statistics.median function to find this out. Right, so the code should input or output 2, correct? And then next up, we'll do the mode. This is a number that appears most frequently in our dataset. So we're going to find this out in Python by using the statistics.mode function. For our list, this code should print out 2, I believe. Yep. Alright, so let's dig a bit deeper and explore more complex measures such as variance and standard deviation. The variance of a dataset is a measure of how spread out the values are. It's calculated as the average of the squared deviations from the mean. Alright, so this will output the variance is 5 point whatever. Oh, never mind. It'll just print out 4. I don't know why I thought it was 5. The standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance. It provides a measure of the amount of variation or dispersion between a set of values. Alright, this will output the standard deviation, which is 2.0. I believe it's rounding, so Python automatically rounds it. If we don't want it to round, we'd have to um, implement some sort of float instead of an integer. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like, drop a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.